Pensacola ground, Baron 667A Charlie.
Baron 6678 Charlie, Pensacola ground, good.
78 Charlie, PAC with Sierra, ready taxi.
Baron 78 Charlie, runway 35 at Charlie 2, intersection departure, taxi via Charlie 2.
Charlie 2, intersection departure for 35 via Charlie 2, 78 Charlie. A lot of Charlies. All right. You have noise canceling on your headset if you find the button.
Blue Street 5424, contact departure ship.
Yeah, I got it. You hear me?
Yep.
Okay.
And going to tower. Departure 19.0. Fuel pump's coming on, left first.
Envoy 3508, Pensacola, clearance cleared to the Miami airport is filed. On departure, maintain 3000, expect flight level 350, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 119.0, squawk 1052. Envoy 3508, readback is correct and pushback is at your discretion.
Pensacola Tower, Baron 6678 Charlie, ready for takeoff 35 Charlie 2.
Baron 6678 Charlie, Pensacola Tower, fly runway heading, runway 35 at Charlie 2, cleared for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff 35 78 Charlie. Ready?
Ready.
All right, if anything happens, we'll pull it back after the gear's up. We continue. And we're going to climb out 3524.
Wind 040 at 14.
Airspeed's alive.
Baron 78 Charlie, contact departure, have a good day.
78 Charlie, switching. departure, Baron 667A Charlie with you, passing through 700.
Baron 667A Charlie, Pensacola departure radar contact. Climbing team 10,000, cleared at Pensacola.
10,000 cleared Pensacola, 7A Charlie.